Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to explain you how to split Microsoft Access database. So basically when you split your database, it will create front end and back end database. So especially when you split your database, it has more advantages. There are basically you can, if you want to use your database with multiple users, actually you have to split your database. So it has many advantages. So I'll show you some advantages. Now you can see some advantages of splitting Access database. So today I'm going to explain you how to split your database simply. So when you split your database, you can use it with multiple users. That is main advantage. One of the main advantage. Then I'll show you how to split your database. So here I used my sample database for this purpose. So when you split database, all your tables of your database goes to what we call the backend. All of your tables, data tables in your Access database goes to backend, and especially forms, queries, and what we call VB modules. All are remains in front end. Okay, forms, reports, queries, and VB and modules remain front end, and the tables move to or goes to back end. So that is what basically happens when you split your database. So you have to keep in your mind one thing: before you split your database, you need to back up your original database, because if something happens after splitting your database, then you have to keep your backup database or to restore again. So that is what you have to keep in your mind. On the other hand, okay, now before move to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So this is my sample database. So it contains tables, queries, forms, and modules. So I'm going to split this database. So how to split a database? Actually, it's very easy. So again, I want to remind you, you need to make sure to create a copy of your original database. That is must. So after that, what you should do is you have to launch your Microsoft Access database like this. You have to open your Access database. So after you open your database, what you should do is you need to click on the database tools. So once you click on the database tools, you have an option called Access database. Okay, you have an option called Access database. So this Access database is used to split the database. So I'm going to click on the Access database. Yeah, now there is a menu under the database splitter dialog box. Click on the button split to database. I mean, once you click on the Access database, then it pops a menu. So there it has a button called split database. So what you should do is you have to just click on this split database. So once you click on the split database, it asks for a location to store backend. So here what you should keep in mind is, here B represent the backend. Okay, B represent the backend of your database. So that is how you have to recognize the backend of your database. If file name contains BE, so it means it's the backend of your database. So therefore use B suffix for the backend database name. So the backend database can be easily identified with the underscore b suffix. So that is what you have to keep in your mind. Yes. Now I want to create a new folder inside the just say my document. Now I am going to create a new folder. So I want to rename this as backend. Yeah, backend. Now press open. Now click on the split. Yes, now we splitted our database. Now press on the OK button. Now close the database. Now I'm going to my document. So under the my document, this is the folder I created, backend. So I'm going to double click. Now this is the backend of my original database. Let's open it and see. So now I'm opening my backend. You see my backend contains only tables. It doesn't have what we call forms, queries and modules. It's not here. So the backend of a database, you can see only tables like this. Okay. Now this is the front end of my database. So this is the front end. So it contains forms, queries, modules like that. Now I am going to enter or open my main form. So this is my main form. Now let's see. Now I am going to add a record. Then let's see how it records in the backend. Now press add. Now I am going to select a date. Now I am going to enter sample text. Now I'm going to press add. Yes, now my data I saved. So normally it should go to backend of my database. Now I'm going to close my front end. So this is the front end. Now I'm going to close the front end. Now I am going to open my backend. So this is backend. How I recognize it as a backend? Here you can see here under the at the last part of the name it has underscore be. So it suggests or it means this is the backend. Now I'm going to open the backend. Once I open the backend, you can see just double click on the table. So this is the record I entered from front end form. So it has successfully updated to backend. So that is how you those are the steps you should follow to split a database. So I think this is very helpful to you. So if you need any clarification, please put a comment under the comment section. So I'll come to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's meet with another video like this. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. So that is it for today. Thank you very much.